Hello lovelies, today I am doing a product review on kombucha. So kombucha has become very popular over the last couple of years. People started making their own with a SCOBY and tea and brewing their own. And the idea is that this is a health product because it contained some probiotics. Now, really, it's been manufactured and promoted as a health product, but in actual fact, it's really just another sweet flavoured drink. And I know that quite often you can be led to believe that you are going to get some probiotics, but in actual fact, there's a much easier and healthier way to get some probiotics and prebiotics to feed your good gut bacteria, which we absolutely need. But all you need to do is to be eating more fruits and vegetables and whole grains and beans and lentils. It's the fibre in the plant foods that's going to feed your good gut bacteria. So does something like kombucha have a place in a healthy lifestyle? And I think it does. I think it's a great alternative to alcohol. So I know that at certain times, if I go somewhere and I think that I might feel like, something different than my normal water or mineral water, I'll have kombucha as a treat because it is low sugar compared to the other carbonated beverages on the shelf. But please don't think that it doesn't come without consequences. Kombucha is full of sugar. Quite often, this one was, what did it say? It said sugar-free. So really, if a product says sugar-free but still tastes sweet, there is something in there that's making it taste sweet. So that's obviously got to be some kind of artificial sweetener. And there are some artificial sweeteners that are okay, like stevia, and there's some artificial sweeteners that are best avoided, like aspartame, which is, like an MSG type excitotoxin and very dangerous to be having on a regular basis. Now, I just want to point out a few things, that advertising and marketing is, can really trick us. And, it's called natural, sugar-free. And on the side here, we've got one of those lovely, tick boxes. So it says it's sugar-free, there's nothing artificial, it's vegan-friendly, GMO-free, zero alcohol, and 1.5 billion live probiotics. So you kind of go, wow, this must be good for me. But in actual fact, there's colours and flavours. I don't care if it says natural colours or flavours. There's still manufactured, chemicals that you are going to be ingesting. So it's not the kind of thing that you want to be having on a daily basis at all. It's really not providing you with any kind of beneficial bacteria on, any kind of a scale. And if you really do need some probiotics and you feel or your doctor suggests that, increasing your fruits and vegetables and other plant foods isn't going to quite cut it, then I would go for a good quality probiotic. But the research is really showing that we can rebuild our good gut bacteria even after a course of antibiotics in about 4 to 5 weeks if we focus on eating a wide variety of plant foods. So that means a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains like brown rice and oats and quinoa, and your legumes, so beans and lentils, and then some healthy whole food fats like avocados, whole olives, nuts and seeds. So I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, pop them below, and I'll see you next week in product review.